Namaste. Due to COVID-19, so we all are sitting in house, and especially school students. So watching TV, attending online classes. So we are getting, the main problem is eyes. So sitting long time watching online classes, videos, all those things. So obviously we are getting pain. So for that, what we have to do? So the yoga, with the help of eyes exercise, we can avoid eye pain. So we have eyes exercise and Trata Kriya. So today, let me see the eyes exercise. Which exercise can avoid your eye problem? So that we will go today. So before going to start eyes exercise, let me start with a prayer. Just follow us. Sit comfortable. Sit your comfortable posture. Adopt the hand chin mudra. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's bring your hands. Namaskara mudra. We'll start. Triyon Omkara. Inhale. Maharshi Patanjali mantra. Chant with me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Chavaidhyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Inhale. With exhale, bend forward, take your hands back. Bend forward, salute our motherland, mother and God of sun. Slowly come out, rub your palm, massage your face and eyes. Namaste. So let me start the first eye exercise, up and down. Ready? So position, keep with both hands, chin mudra, tip of the fingers. Begin. Okay, now let me start eyes exercise. Up and down, up, down, up, down. Continue same thing. Complete eyeball. Go up and down. Up, down, up, down. Continue. Continue 10 times. Yes, good. Close your eyes. Give some rest for your eyes. Complete eyeball have to take rest. Inhale and exhale. Let me go for now. Open your eyes. We'll go for right and left. Look at your right, left, right, left, right, left. Continue. Complete your awareness should be on your eyes. Do with awareness. Yes. After 10 rounds, close your eyes and give for the rest your eyes. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Let's go for next. Open your eyes. Now we'll go for diagonal. Right up, left down, right up, left down. Continue. Same. Continue. Yes, after 10 rounds, close your eyes. If you want means, you can increase the count, 20 counts, 25 counts, based on our practice. Okay, now we'll go for, open your eyes, we'll go for left up, right down, another diagonal exercise. Continue, left up, right down, left up, right down. Continue, continue, same. One of the best exercise, eye related problem. Close your eyes after 10 rounds. Okay, let's open your eyes and we'll go for now clockwise rotation. Ready? Start now. Rotate clockwise. Start with slowly, then increase slowly speed. Increase speed. Very good. Only eyeball have to rotate, children. We should not rotate head. Close your eyes after 10 rounds. Here also same thing. If you want means, you can increase the count. Open your eyes. Let me go for now anti-clockwise. Begin. Anti-clockwise rotation. Rotate, rotate. Continue 10 rounds. Very good. Then close your eyes and rest. Inhale and exhale. Okay. So now let we go for Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So get ready position. Left hand chin mudra, right hand Nasika mudra. So Nasika mudra, index finger and middle finger have to fold. Thumb finger and last two fingers should be straight. Okay, just keep front of your nose. Don't start. So Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama means first we should exhale completely from the left nostril. Then the starting, we have to start with left inhale and right exhale, right inhale, left exhale. This is a one circle. Let's watch. Close your right, close your eyes, inhale from the left nostril and hold few seconds. Close the left and exhale completely from your right nostril. Inhale from the right, stay few seconds Kumbhaka, means hold the breath. Then exhale from the left. Very good. Now first round complete, back and neck should be erect. No movement. Continue second round. Inhale from left and exhale from right nostril. No movements. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Body should be straight. Continue. Continue yourself. Same rounds. One of the wonderful pranayama, Nadi Shodhana. We can call Nadi Shodhana or Nadi Shuddhi. both the name. Continue 11 rounds. If you want, you can go for 21 rounds, 25 rounds, 30 rounds, or 5 minutes based on your practice. Continue. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama helps to improve our immunity power. One of the best pranayama for the blood circulation. Helps to boost all the 72,000 nadis. So completely involve the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Do with a complete awareness. Continue few more rounds. Okay. After 11 rounds, once you complete, then bring your hands, Chin Mudra. Inhale and exhale, normal breath. Okay, we'll end the session with the ending prayer. Namaskara Mudra. Chant with me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kashchit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Inhale, take your hands back, bend forward, salute the motherland, mother and God of sun. Touch your forehead to the ground. Slowly come out. Rub your palm. Rub, rub. Massage your with the both hands, face and eyes. Thank you. Dhanyavad.